Hello friends, Cool Brotherz here.
Hope you all are safe. Today we are going to make some water candles.
It is easy to make.
We are using a small glass container, cooking oil, water, plastic sheet, cotton yarn hand, matchbox for lighting the candle. For decorating, we are using 3 posters. You can use paint, pearls, flowers for decorating. Let's start making the water candle by pouring 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of oil. Let's take the radius of the glass container and cut the plastic sheet accordingly. Now we cut the plastic sheet into small pieces. Now we are going to make this square into a circle. First fold it like this and cut it here. Our circle is ready. Now we are going to make a hole in the center for inserting this. Before inserting the thread, we need to tie a knot. Make sure the knot is in the top. Now let's insert it. Now it's ready. Let's insert it in the glass. Now it's time to lighten up the candles.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.